everyone, this is Couponing with D and I am back with another video. Welcome if this is your first time watching my videos and coming over to my channel. If not, welcome back everybody. As you can see, I have had a whole lot of fun. I've been at Publix. So you see I got a table full of wipes, Band-Aids, Oral-B products, Crest. I did a couple of deals and my sister down in Sarasota, hey Cosmic, she's the one who told me we slipped and didn't include the deal of the Oral-B with the wipes to get the overage. Either way it goes, I wasn't gonna get any overage or much overage on those items simply because I'm in Georgia, she's in Florida, our prices are higher here than hers are down there. I'm gonna go through the receipts and I'm going to let you know exactly what I did. So for my first one, I purchased 6 of the Huggy wipes. This week at Publix, they were 2 for $4. There was an IP $1.10 off every 2. So there was also a $1 extra savings Publix coupon that you can add with it. So for every 2, it was going to be 90 cents. So for the first 6, I paid before taxes $2.70. After taxes, $3.66. For the next one, I purchased 8 wipes and my price before taxes was $3.60. After taxes, it was $4.88. On the next one, I purchased another 6. Prior to taxes, $2.70. After taxes, $3.66. I picked up another 6 for $2.70. After taxes, $3.66. Now I picked up another 8 for $3.60 before taxes. After taxes, $4.88. On the next receipt, I picked up 4 of the wipes for $1.80 before taxes and $2.44 after taxes. My next receipt is where I started adding the Oral-B. Now, on this frame, you're gonna see that I have 6 of the baby wipes and I have 4 packs of toothbrushes. Now, this is why it's so important to read the description on your coupons. I picked up the wrong ones. I picked up the indicator toothbrushes and those are totally the wrong ones. So the only coupons that are attached were the $6 off of 4 Crest products or Oral-B, and then a $2 off an adult manual toothbrush. And then I had $3 on Publix perks. So of course, because I didn't pay attention, I paid more out of pocket, but it's fine because I'm getting rid of the toothbrushes anyway in some bundles. So before taxes, it was $6.06. And after taxes, it was $8.05. Then I went on to the next Publix and I picked up 4 packs of wipes, 3 packs of the Bacterial Blast toothbrushes, and 1 of the Crest toothpaste. So the Crest toothpaste were $2.96 a piece. My sister's paying $2.87. My toothbrushes come out to $5.39, and because she's not worried about toothbrushes, she's looking for overage, she's only doing toothpaste. The following coupons apply. $6 off of 4 oral care, $5 off of 3 oral care, $3 off of 2 oral care, $2 off of the toothbrush, and $2 off for the toothpaste. So my total before taxes was $4.93. After taxes, it was $7.10. The next transaction I did, I purchased 3 of the Bacterial Blast toothpaste and toothbrushes, and I picked up the Deep Clean toothpaste. The 6 off of 4 came off, the 5 off of 3 came off, the 3 off of 2 came off, and a $2 came off. And that totaled me up to $3.13 before taxes, $4.66 after taxes. Now, all of the Band-Aid in the front goes as follows. The 3 blue boxes and 2 of the green boxes and 2 of the green paper tape in front. I did this deal. There was a digital app coupon, spend 15, get 5 off automatically. So that did come off. In the Publix Green Savings book, they had $2 off of 2 $2 off of 1 Band-Aid. So my total for this came up to negative $1.33, and then there was $1.33 that was sales tax. My grand total $0. So for that transaction, I had $1.09 overage. My next transaction was an 81-cent overage. I picked up 5 of the green boxes, and there's 1 Coach elastic band on there, and I picked up 1 of the green paper tape. That gave me negative $1.35, and they put 81 cents on my Publix card. The next one was overage, of course. They put $2.68 on a Publix gift card, and I picked up 4 of the green boxes and 4 of the purple boxes. Again, everything attached. My order total was negative $1.36. Sales tax was $1.36, and $2.68 went on a card. That's everything I have for you today. That is my Publix haul for the week. I will be popping up everything that I got back from Huggies, from Fetch, and I'll also put up all of the Fetch points that I got up for everything else. I will give you a grand total of how much I made at the end of the video. Just stay tuned so you can see that. Again, this is all I have for you today. This was my Publix haul this week. Thank you for watching. Thank you for stopping by. Please consider becoming part of the family by subscribing, hit the like button and the bell so you'll be notified every single time I make a video. For now, see you on the next one. Bye.